Okay, working on a 2003 Ford Ranger with the 3.0. The problem is it doesn't start when you first crank it, so it can go like 3 times, probably building up some pressure on the fuel system. I was getting 10 to 15 pounds when you open the switch, and then when you turn it off, all the pressure was going to 0 or 5 right here. So I replaced the fuel pump. Let me show you the old one. Here's the old fuel pump. Make sure you disconnect this electrical connection first. It's on the frame underneath the bed. So when this one was showing me, it looks like another pressure regulator here. That could be another issue, if that's what that is. So 10 to 15 pounds when you first open the switch. I didn't think that was good. Right now it's been off for about 10 minutes and the pressure still remains. I'm gonna give it some time, and if it doesn't go below 50, then I guess that was the problem. Because if you cycle the key a few times with the old fuel pump, I was getting 65 pounds and 45 with the engine off. But after a few cycles, on the first cycle on the key, the lowest I got was 10 pounds. Then I try to crank it, just get it running, and it will just crank and crank like starving for fuel. So we'll see. Hopefully that fixed the whole issue.